We have to like, encourage each other. I also went down the street. I found this. Apparently, I don't know. It's something that's been around for I told me it's 5-6 years. It's called. Oh dear, what's the name of it? Burn Boot Camp. It's mostly for ladies, which is what I like. There's nothing wrong with walking around men, but sometimes us ladies will feel comfortable. Those of us who have a few pounds to lose, all you skinny girls, maybe you don't mind being around dudes. I ain't got nothing with dudes, but I'm just saying it's called Burn Boot Camp, right? And they open one down the street from where I live. It's about 2 miles away, so that's perfect. I have no excuse. And they open from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday through Saturday. So you ain't got no excuse. I do not have any excuse. You don't have any excuse. From 5 a.m. to 9 p.m., I'm sure you can find 1 hour. It's called Burn Boot Camp. And I spoke to some of the ladies when I went there to get some information, the payment, and how much it costs, and monthly and daily and stuff. And it's really good. So I'm going to try that for 5 weeks. They have some kind of trial going on. So I want to do a 5 weeks, what do you call it? Test run or something. So I'm going to check it out. Oh, why are you making that funny noise like that? This is new, just out of the box. Today, I took it out of the box today. Is that normal? Order you Nama juice. Number 2 juice expert. When you hear a little clean noise, is that normal? Did I do something wrong? Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. I'm like a kid with a new toy. I'm excited every time I see the juice coming out. It's like the first time every time for me. So don't get annoyed. I just love it. But why is it making that fling, 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 like a little screeching noise? Do I need to change? Ooh, I think that's what it is. You know what? You guys hear the queen? But the Pope, I forgot about the Pope container in the bag is full. But I don't think that should have anything to do with it. Squeaking noise, anything here. Oh wait, hold up. I gotta refill this. Angel, I'm recording. Don't you hear me recording? Show some manners. See, that's your problem. You guys hold up. See how Angel disturbing me, right? Angel, do you want some treat? Yeah, I don't want that screeching sound there. Why are you screeching like that? What did I do? Order you normal juice expert. Let me know. Is there something I did wrong? That's why he's screeching like that. Or some old dude trying to get his groove on or something. Anyway, I need to take out the video right now. I need to edit that part out. This is going to be a family friendly something. Okay, I'll be right back. I don't know if I should stop this. Does anyone know why it's squeaking a little bit? This is brand new out of the box. Am I doing something wrong? Do you have to wash the strainer every time you make a juice? Or what? I don't know. We go broccoli juice. Just broccoli and some bell pepper, piece of ginger, a little piece of green stuff. Lemon, lime. Lemon is the yellow one, right? Lime is the green one. Why do I always get them mixed up? Somebody's gonna correct me today in this video. I know that. But I'm so excited. Broccoli juice with a piece of ginger, a piece of lime, and bell pepper. 2 huge bell pepper. There's one in there. This is the second one. So we'll do 2 of these. I want to show you all my juice when I'm done. How many bottles I have. Let me see what I have here so far. This is fabulous broccoli, ginger, lime, green apple, bell pepper. I just put a piece of parsley in there, just a little pinch of parsley, and I think that's it. All these things are good to detox. You see all this here? I'm gonna get toned. I'm gonna get buffed up. I'm gonna join. Yes, I was talking about the burn class. They call it burn boot camp. Burn boot camp. You know, burn like B-U-R-N, burn. So to burn some fat, that's what it's called, burn. It's mostly ladies. I think there's one day a week she said they have co-ed, but I don't care. What do they have once a week? I'm going there, I'm gonna work out, and I'll do before and after video shots of my measurements, my body weight and stuff like that. I'll do a before and after little video clips and video picture. This is running over. Oh my goodness, this is running over here. These the what you call that? The Pope. I haven't changed it since I started. Hold up. So I love you guys to share with me your recipes for healthy skin, healthy hair, healthy nails, weight loss. What else? Immune boost, detox. You know what I'm saying? All right. I think this is done. All right, let's that finish up. Okay, I have one more batch to do and I'll be done for the day. Wow. How many bottles do I have? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. All right. This is awesome. So you guys, let's talk. What are your secrets? The sun just went down, so it's getting a little darker. So what are your secrets for weight loss? Eating healthy. What are your secrets? Hey, somebody, thank you. I just thought about something. Somebody posted something on my Facebook page about a week ago because I was asking about, you know, weight loss issues and stuff. But for healthy, I don't want to do any pills and all that stuff. Something healthy. I think she said hyper nourishment or hyper nutrition. I think I've never heard that phrase before, but it's kind of self-explanatory, I think. But when I watched some video and I went to YouTube and searched the word and I saw a lot of videos. It just sounds like to me like, you know, I'm trying to find out what's the difference between the hyper nourishment or the hyper nutrition program than somebody who's on a juice cleanse or a juice fast. I don't know what's the difference. A juice / smoothie cleanse or juice / smoothie fast. Because it's like you just infusing your pretty, it's like hyper infusement or anyway, but it's like you pretty much infusing your body with a lot of nutrients dense, you know, the green leafy vegetables, the broccoli, the cauliflower, the collard greens, cilantro. You just drink a lot of those green juice with some little bit of, I think she said 80% of green leafy and then 10 or 20% of fruits. So I don't know what's the difference between that and somebody who does his juice / smoothie fast or cleanse. That's really what I was planning on doing anyway. And then when she told me that, I said, okay, well, I'm gonna check it out and see. But that's really where I was headed. Okay, these guys are not, it's not blending, so I think it got entangled in this something there. Hold up, I'll be right back.